Right, so a quick video of how to store a small amount of bird trapping bait in a small survival kit, or like a little, you probably could fit in a survival tin depending on how big your thing is. Like there's a survival tin, but if you've got a small survival kit, you want to carry some sort of bait because you might, be trapping and not be able to find any bait. So a little container, and what I've got is, this is like a test tube. This actually wouldn't fit in the survival tin, but you might be able to get smaller containers. Or another idea would be a small bottle like this, slightly bigger though, that would still fit in there. And as a comparison, that's about the size of 2 tobacco tins, a little bit higher, probably about the size of a mess tin. So a little container full of, this has got rice in it. Now pheasants and most birds will eat rice, and will eat rice which is uncooked as well. So a little small container like that. And what you can do is put a little bit at the back of the trap and a little trail. And I suppose if it came to it and you thought you couldn't catch anything, you could just cook that rice. But you could put in here any kind of seeds, grain, anything like that. I've caught pheasants with I've caught them with rice, things like breakfast cereals, oats, crushed up crisps, anything. I've caught them with loads of different things. But that's an idea. And then what you could do, just to show you how much there is in there. So at the back of, say, build a cage trap or whatever. That's a good little pile there, what a bird would be able to see. And then a small trail coming out the trap, depending how big it is. And out of that, that's all I've used. So I'll do a few traps that would. Even if you put a bit more, you're still going to get at least 2 out of this, easy, maybe 3. That's not even used half of that. So you can get those off of eBay, I think. Just type in test tube with a lid or something like that, plastic test tube. Yeah, so an idea of putting carrying bait in a little trapping kit. Right, so it's nearly Christmas, so I hope everyone has a good Christmas and everything. Like I keep saying all the time, I am intending to try and do more videos. It's just after Dad passed away and then taking over the business, that is just all consuming, and that's all you end up doing half the time. But I'll probably have some time off over Christmas, and I really want to get back into doing the videos. I always wanted to, you know what I mean, but you know how it is. Anyway, so if I don't do another video before, have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.